Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of URIT H12 Hemoglobin Test Strips. You can see this here, it's URIT H12 Hemoglobin Test Strips. It's a 50 test kit box. You can see it's from URIT Medical Electronic Company Limited from China. You can see the internet uses H12 hemoglobin test strips or applied on URIT Hemoglobin Meter for the quantitative measurement of total hemoglobin in capillary and venous whole blood. The test is intended for use by healthcare professionals only, not to be used for patient self-testing. You can see the other side, it says the warning instructions was given. The storage temperature is between 2 to 8. You can see there's a standard expiry period. Side you can see this. Here it's on the top side. You can see in a box of 50 pieces you have 25 pieces per vial. Okay, we'll get inside the box. This is how the box looks like. Let me open this box for you. The inside box, you can see there is 2 bottles and there is one IFE brochure and there is one another device code reader. Okay, let me keep this box here. Okay, here you can see there is 2 vial boxes. You can see this is how the box looks like. You can see the expiry period is also given, control storage, the code 930. I think the code refers to this code, this device. So it is mandatory to use when you do this test. This code has this device has to be used. This is a code device. So this particular strips to work with the instrument, it is mandatory you use this code. This is certified. You can see each box, each vial contains 25 pieces. You can see it's 25 pieces. This one and there's another one. You can see the same one. It's also 930. You can see 25 pieces per vial. Same code 930. So in a box, if you look at, you get along with the 50 strips. Along with that, this code pack is mandatory. Actually, this code, you can see this is how the code looks like. You can see it's called the code card. I'm showing the other side of this. You can see this. You can see this here. Okay, and then you get an IFE brochure. Look at, let me see, you can see this here, H12 hemoglobin test strips operation. So you have the basic how this test, what is the use of this test, and what are the sample collection method and storage conditions, how to the operating procedure, and how to conduct the test, how to interpret the results. You have the complete details to conduct this test. So this IFE brochure will give you the complete idea of completing the test actually. So this is okay, this is okay. This, if you look at today, we just quickly to summarize here. Today we are seeing the unboxing of URIT H12 hemoglobin test strips. You can see there are 2 vial boxes. Each vial has 25 test strips, and along with this box you get one IFE brochure and one code reader. This is how the complete test kit looks like. Thank you.